everyone, welcome to Kalegudu Crafting Videos. I'm Megha.
And I'm Rithi.
So today we'll learn how to make Rakhis at home. Simple and very creative. Let's go. Today we'll learn how to make 3 Rakhis and Rithi here will be helping us make all of them. So let's start. To make the first Rakhi, we'll take a shiny lace, some stones and a glue stick. So Rithi, can we start?
Yeah.
To make the second Rakhi, you will need a jute string and a bead. A jute string and a bead. So, Rithi, do you want to put it inside?
Yeah. If you can't tie a knot, you can ask your parents.
Yeah. To make the third Rakhi, we'll need colorful papers, a glue stick, a shiny ribbon and a punch. So let's go ahead and start punching these colorful papers. I hope you enjoyed making these wonderful Rakhis. Rithi, did you enjoy making them?
Yes.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. And please
Subscribe, like, share, ring the bell button, put all your messages in the comment box to Kalegudu.
Yeah, thank you.